Hello my dear students, welcome to NAKACADEMY. This is the second video which comes under the chapter graphs. So in this video we are going to discuss on how to draw accurate graphs for a given equation. So I will take this textbook example and explain you on how to plot the given coordinates and to draw the graph. So let's take the example question, which is y equal 2x minus 3. So in order to draw this graph, we need two values. If you refer to my first video, I have explained about the coordinates. Each coordinate contains two values, that is x value and the y value. So in order to draw this graph, it is important for us to have these two values in each point. Usually what happens is we take the range of x values. Let's say I'm going to take x values as minus 3 to plus 3. So I take minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So when you look at the right side of this equation, which is 2x minus 3, so whatever the values I substitute with x, I can derive the value of y. So I write this equation 2x minus 3. So finally I can derive with the corresponding y values. So 2x means 2 multiplied by x. So 2x, we know 2x is 2 multiplied by x. So I can substitute minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 and so on for each values. So 2 multiplied by minus 3 is minus 6, 2 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 4, 2 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 2, 2 multiplied by 0 is 0, any value multiplied by 0 is 0, 2 multiplied by 1 is 2, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 and 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. And as we can see here, minus 3 is a fixed value, so I'll write minus 3 throughout, minus 3 and minus 3. Simplifying these two, I can derive to the value of y. So minus 6 minus 3 is minus 9, minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7, minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5, this is minus 3, and here minus 1, and this is plus 1 and plus 3. So if I refer to the textbook, as you can see here, okay, here the range is actually they have taken from minus 2 to plus 4. Okay, let's take 4 as well. So here minus, so 2 multiplied by 4 is 8, 8 minus 3, that is 5. So as you can compare and see, so I will just eliminate this from here. So these are the textbook values given from minus 2 to plus 4. So each y values they have mentioned minus 7, minus 5, minus 3, minus 7, minus 5, minus 3, and we have minus 1, plus 1, 3 and 5. So these are the values I am going to use. So basically these are the values. These are the values I am going to use for each points the coordinates are, so that I can simply draw the given graph. So let's draw the graph now. So you have to make sure to get the correct range of values. As you can see here, y negative goes up to -7 and the positive range goes up to +5, whereas in the x axis negative values goes up to -2, whereas the positive goes up to +4. So accordingly, if I draw here, this is my x-axis. So this goes up to -7, so I will draw this is little bit above. This is my y-axis. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is my positive values, and the negative range goes up to -2. Similarly, y values, if I take, the positive values goes up to 5. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and negative range goes from -1, -2, 3, -4, -5, -6 and -7. So let's plot each value. -2, -7, so x is -2, y is -7 over here. -1, -5, that is this point. And we have 0, -3, that is on the y-axis. 1, -1, so that is somewhere here. So make sure you draw the straight line properly with equal gap between each value. And 2 and 1 is over here. 3, 3, and finally 4 and 5. So x value is 4 and y value is 5. So as you can see, we will get a I'm sorry. So let's take this. So let's remove this ruler and take the line. So 4 and 5 is somewhere over here. So when you draw, so this is the corresponding so you have to make sure that you properly plot so that it's easy for you to draw the straight line without any hassle. So this will be more accurate if you draw in a paper. You can use your mathematics books. Different with correct measures that you can draw. Okay, if I use something like this, I think I will be able to draw more accurately. With my next couple of questions, I will draw using this particular paper so that it will show a more accurate way. So this is my straight line or the graph, which is y equal 2x minus 3. So let's do another question. Let's take a different question from the exercise. Y equal to x plus 1. So I'm going to draw y equal to x plus 1 with the given range, that is minus 3 to plus 3. So my x values are minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So the right side of my equation is 2x plus 1, and finally I can derive with my y values. So this is 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, plus 1 is minus 5, 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, this is 0 plus 1 is plus 1, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, or we'll say plus 3, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is plus 5, and 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, 6 plus 1 is plus 7. So now I have x values and y values. Now it's easy for me to plot the coordinates, and I can draw the graph which is y equal to x plus 1. So my x value ranges from plus 3 to minus 3, whereas my y values ranges from plus 7 to minus 5. So plus 7 to minus 5. So we'll draw more accurately this time. Let's try to draw more accurately. So this is my y-axis. So we'll say this is yeah, so I have to go plus 7. So this is 7. So it's up to you how you are going to scale this line, or in the exam or in the exercise they will mention on how to scale your values. So I'll just take this is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and this is 0, and here I have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So my y ranges up to minus 5, minus 4 and minus 5. Also now I'm going to draw my x-axis. So this is my x-axis. So this is 0. So I have 1, 2, 3, and negative goes up to minus 3. Okay, let's draw little stretched. So I'll just change the scale over here. So this is my 1. Okay, let's set the scale. So this is 1, 2 and 3. So this is 1, minus 2 and minus 3. Alright, so now the first coordinates are minus 3 and minus 5. X is minus 3 and y is minus 5. So that is over here, my first point. Second one is minus 2, minus 3. So x value is minus 2 and corresponding y value is minus 3. So it's over here. Third one is minus 1, minus 1. So minus 1 comes over here. Then we have 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 1 is its y value is 1, so it's always on y axis over here. 1 plus 3, so my x value is 1 and the corresponding y value is plus 3. 2 plus 5, 3 plus 7, 2 and 5, 3 and 7. So this time you can see the values plotted more accurately without any distractions. So as you can see here, it's all the points touches the respective ends. So this is my y equal to x plus 1 graph. So as you can see, this is a very simple way of drawing graphs. So the steps what you have to follow is, first look at the equation or look at the graph or the function given and check what is the range they have mentioned. So usually they mention the range. Now here they have mentioned x less than or equals to 3 and greater than or equals to minus 3, which means you have to set the x range from minus 3 to plus 3. So it's very simple. So each exercise or each questions they will give what is the range of x. So based on that you can set the x values, and the second step is to write the given equation, the components individually as I mentioned here. Then substitute the x values. So 2x means 2 multiply by minus 3, so that is minus 6. So write that value. Then this is a constant, a fixed value, so then you can simplify both, where you will derive to the value of y. So accordingly for each point you can get the y values, and then you set the scale properly, the x values and y values. Then simply you can plot the derived answers or the coordinates. Then finally you will end up with the graph. So it's very simple to draw and you can easily gain marks for this question. So I hope you have understood on how to draw this a straight line graph with the given x range or the x values and finding the corresponding y values. So in the exercise you can see they have mentioned draw the following graphs using a scale of 2 centimeter to 1 unit on the x-axis and 1 centimeter to 1 unit on the y-axis. So always, so here it's specifically mentioned x-axis you must take 2 centimeter as 1 unit. For y-axis that is 2 centimeter to the 1 unit on the x-axis and 1 centimeter to 1 unit, 1 centimeter to 1 unit for y-axis. So this is how they will mention in the questions. If it is not mentioned, you can draw with your own scaling. If it is specifically mentioned, you have to follow the instructions given. So you can try this exercise 1. There are 10 questions highlighted. You can try these questions, and if you are willing to share your answers, you can share your answers to my email address, that is azwarkhan6@gmail.com, and my contact number is 077 333 2322. And if you have any questions, you can leave your questions in the comment section, so I will be able to address your questions. And share this video among your friends and support us by subscribing the channel NAK Academy. So I will continue this graph lesson with the series of few more videos. So this is the second video what we have done so far. Go through the video and complete the exercise. Stay tuned. So I will meet you all with my next video. Until then, Stay safe and take care.